Okay, let's head over to meet Kyle, a creative writing major and theater arts minor from Culver City, California. BU's English program has students reading and discussing a diverse cross-section of authors to help them understand culture and history. Classroom discussions are starting points for professional projects in the community, internships, and the department's career-focused senior research project. Tell us all about it, Kyle. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, guys? Coming from a big city like LA, where it's easy to feel like just another number in the crowd, I wanted to go to college somewhere where I could feel like I was a part of the community and make a name for myself. Fortunately, I knew Bradley University was a good fit for me. As an English major, I was excited to learn that our English department offers student writers like me the chance to become published authors in our literary journal, Broadside. I'm also a theater arts minor and serve as the president of Bradley's Ministry of Experimental Theater, an organization that allows students to participate in non-traditional theatrical performances. It lets them try their hand at playwriting and expression, directing and artistic vision, and also acting and vulnerability. On top of that, I also work as a student admissions representative. We work as tour guides, office aides, and much more on campus. Preparing yourself for life beyond college is important. But finding happiness, friendship, and exploring your passions are also important to your success. Thankfully, a school like Bradley makes it easy with over 200 student organizations. From improv and fencing to napping with the Hammocking Club, there is no end to the clubs here. And if you don't find something you like, you can always start your own. Another great way to make the most of your college experience is with study abroad opportunities at Bradley. It's an awesome way to explore another country and gain perspectives on the outside world and education beyond the United States. Coming to Bradley has brought me lifelong friends, new leadership skills and opportunities, and opened my eyes to new world views and perspectives. That's just a little bit about me. Back to you, Alex.
A hammocking club? Count me in, Kyle. BU offers a semester or year abroad in more than 30 countries, contributing to a broader worldview and opening the doors to intellectual and career opportunities. Studying abroad like hammocking has long been a staple of the Bradley experience. It's been great hanging out with you, Kyle. Thanks again and take care.